In this video, we will review writing characters of all 14 new words in Lesson 2, Hanyu Jiaocheng 1. New words in Lesson 2.
忙、骂、很、汉语、难、太、爸爸、妈妈、他、难、哥哥、弟弟、妹妹。
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
爸爸、
Dad.
爸爸、
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
妈妈、
Mom.
妈妈、
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
好吗？
Okay.
好吗？
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
太、
Too much.
太、
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
忙吗？
Busy?
忙吗？
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
哥哥、
Elder brother.
哥哥、
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
大吗？
Big?
大吗？
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
难吗？
Hard?
难吗？
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
很好。
Very good.
很好。
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
太、
She.
他、
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
很忙。
Very busy.
很忙。
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
妹妹
Little sister.
妹妹
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
很大
Very big.
很大
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
很难
Very hard.
很难
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
汉语
Chinese language.
汉语
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
他
He.
他
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
弟弟
Younger brother.
弟弟
What is the meaning of this Chinese word?
难
Male.
难
New words in lesson 2.
毛帽很汉语难太爸爸妈妈他难哥哥弟弟妹妹
If you don't remember the Chinese characters, go back to study the Chinese words of lesson 2, Hanyu Jiaocheng 1, in this video. This is the end and hope you can remember the image of the letter in Chinese. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more similar videos on how to memorize Chinese characters.